Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.